How to delete Facebook dating profile. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Facebook, click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen, which will lead you to this page. In here, simply click on dating. If you don't find dating here, click on see more, and then click on dating. After that, simply click on your profile at the top right corner of your screen. After you've clicked on your profile, click on Settings. In Settings, click on Delete Profile. Press on Delete Profile at the bottom left and you're good to go. This is how to delete Facebook dating profile. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.